Hey guys, welcome back to Science Kids and Life Skills with Vikhyath, Kiran. Today we're going to learn how to install a Thunkable app. So let's log in. We created this Thunkable app in last video. So this is our project page. So when you hover your mouse over down here it is download, and when you hover your mouse over it, they'll give you two options. I'm going to click on download Android app. So after some time it will show app download starting for BMI calculator. So as you can see, it has come in my downloads. Okay, so now I have my phone. Okay, not my phone, my mother's phone. So now let's go to WhatsApp web, and we can send it to your own number's contact. So I have come to the desired contact. Now let us click on the pin document. Select that APK file. Send it. So okay, so now let's close this. We don't need it now. Now we are going to take our mobile and take the contact. So as you can see, I have taken the mobile, and there's one APK here. There's an APK file here. So click on that, and it will download. And so it's downloaded. As you can see, it's downloaded. So now let's click on it. So this is the screen that shows up. Let's click on install. So this is what it shows, and it'll say that it's not verified by Play Protect. It's common because I have not given it to Play Protect for verification. So here let's click on install anyway. So it'll install. So it'll show app installed. Before that, a pop-up will appear. Click on don't send. So it'll show installed. Click on done. Okay. So now you can it'll appear in your mobile screen. So I'm going to show you that. So as you can see, our BMI calculator has appeared here. Okay. So it shows the Thunkables, that the the red color beaver that appears here. That's the icon of Thunkable. You can change it in your when you code your app. So let's click on the app. So this is the same thing that we had coded. So as you can see, the same thing that we had designed has come on our mobile. So this is how you install a Thunkable app in your phone. So as I said in the last video, I had talked to you about native apps. So this is an example of native app. So we have successfully installed it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.